Hi, in this lesson I teach you how to separate text and numbers. It's been with numerical and non-numerical value in Excel using VBA macros. See this image, we have a combined data with characters with digital digits. And first of all, downloads my workbook. I already downloaded it. Just show in the folder and go to the property and check this option unblock, apply and click OK. When you click the OK, just open it, and here I delete the old data. Here I write some characters and some numerical values. When I click this button, the non-numerical value is in the column D showing, and numerical value is the column C showing. Okay, we go to the code explanation. This is a code you easily copy and paste to your own Excel and modify as per your requirement. First, I create the multiple variables. This reg number, it means the numerical value, and reg text I add for non-numerical value. Here I create a objective VBA script reg expression. This means is a reg expression, and this pattern is assigned to numerical value. And here I just set the last row and I run this loops for until the last row, and here I assign the column number. Okay, this one is the separate by non-numerical value. This is the pattern for non-numerical value, and bottom code is the same of all numerical and non-numerical modules. Okay, we go to the Excel. Here I want to paste anything. When you click this button, see here, it's automatically split by numerical and non-numerical value in your single click. Okay, if you like any changes in here, for example, you want to example column B to A, you just put this B to A as range is A and just run it. See here, this code is automatically populate. When you want to the one column is, for example, I numerical value I paste on column 6 and I run it. See here, it's based on column 6, and this also same. If you want to column 7, just add the 7. See here, you change and modify as per your requirement. This is simple code. This is not any difficult modules. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and support me. Bye.